Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Karnal, Vastara. Today we are going to learn the differences between LAN, WAN and MAN. Let's start with the full form. The LAN is local area network, MAN is metropolitan area network and WAN is wide area network. What are the geographic span of all? LAN operates in small areas such as same building or campus. MAN, it operates in large areas such as city. And WAN, it can like operates in the very larger area that are like country or any particular continent. Ownership. So LAN's ownership is completely private. MAN ownership can be private or public. And WAN is basically it is not owned by only one organization. Transmission speed. The transmission speed of LAN is high, while the transmission speed of MAN is average, and where the transmission speed of WAN is slow. Propagation delay. The propagation delay is short in LAN. In the case of MAN, it is moderate. So propagation delay is there, and there is a long propagation delay in WAN. Congestion. In because it's a local area network only, so less congestion is there. In the MAN, it's more congestion, and WAN, it's like is more congestion than MAN also. Design and maintenance. So LAN design and maintenance are easy. MAN design and maintenance are difficult than LAN, and WAN design maintenance are also difficult as well as MAN. Fault tolerance. There is more fault tolerance in LAN, while there is less fault tolerance in MAN, and in WAN there is also less fault tolerance. Let's conclude here. So, LAN, WAN, and MAN are different sizes of computer networks. LAN is for small areas like homes and or offices. MAN contains bigger areas like cities, and WAN, wide area network, is the biggest, covering large regions of whole world. These networks help to connect devices and share information over different distances. The main difference between them is the size of the area they cover and how many devices they can connect. So this is the basic difference structure, physical structure which we have here drawn. So this is LAN, which is like the homes or the very local area, less like local area network is there. Then MAN means some cities are connected, that is MAN, metropolitan area network, and it is like all the lands are also connected with the cities. So then WAN, wide area network. So this is like basically the country wise they are connected. So this is it in this video. If you like our content, do like and subscribe. Thank you.